To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. Did you know that the human body carries out metabolism slower when it's asleep, but faster when it's awake? However, there are actually ways you can boost your metabolism during your sleep cycle. This means you can use this window of opportunity to burn as much fat as you can. Today, we would like to share with you a drink that can boost for your body metabolism when you're asleep. Not only is this drink easy to prepare, but also doesn't require any hidden recipe. Here are the ingredients you need to make this fat-burning formula. Cucumber. Cucumber is really low in calories and is mostly made up of water, accompanied with natural fiber. Additionally, it also contains important vitamins and minerals. In addition to promoting weight loss, it also lowers blood sugar levels and improves hydration. Take 1 cucumber and dice it up nicely so it's easy to blend. Parsley and cilantro. Both are incredibly beneficial because they are low in calories. These ingredients help to prevent unnecessary storage of water in your belly. The beneficial antioxidants in these ingredients prevent bloating in the tummy, which gives you room for storage of excess fat. A bunch of parsley or cilantro would do. You could alternate between them because they are both effective. Lemon. Lemon is very rich in vitamins that remove toxins from the body. This ingredient functions as a cleansing agent, which expels unwanted substances that should not be in your body. The magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium in the lemon also help to speed up the metabolism process. You only need 1 lemon for this drink. Ginger. Ginger aids in quickening the metabolism process. The benefit of ginger is that the sodium and iron aids in burning unwanted fat hanging around inside. These redundant toxins can contribute to bloating. A tablespoon of grated ginger would do just fine. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants, which ensures that the body consumes more energy. Not only does it accelerate your metabolism, aloe vera also improves your skin, prevents wrinkles, and constipation. For 1 drink, just add a tablespoon of aloe vera juice. Juice your lemon and combine all the ingredients to blend and add water as needed. The combination of these ingredients would productively reduce excess fat. If you are going to try this drink tonight, let us know in the comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.